Hello guys, my name is Putri and my name from MTLC. Guys, it's also familiar to hear this one drink which is creamy and sweet, a favorite one from the famous coffee shop. So today I'm going to show you how to make it. Guys, are you ready to make this vanilla cream frappuccino? Don't let start back here. Here we go! Remember, just you and I who know the secret. Lego. The ingredients are vanilla ice cream, ice cube, fresh milk, white sugar, caramel sauce, and whipped cream. The steps are: first prepare blender, then add vanilla ice cream, milk, ice cube, and sugar. After that, blend the ingredient until smooth and pour the vanilla cream frappuccino. Add the whipped cream into the top of your vanilla cream frappuccino. Finally, your delicious vanilla cream frappuccino to be served. Enjoy your drink! See you guys, love